to the Transportation and Ticket Center. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. We hope you've enjoyed the Magic Kingdom. Within the 43 square miles of Walt Disney World Resort, you'll discover much more entertainment and recreation for all ages. Each themed Disney resort features a variety of daytime and nighttime activities. Near Lake Buena Vista are the charming waterfront shops, boutiques, and restaurants of the Disney Village Marketplace. We also invite you to experience Pleasure Island, our nighttime entertainment complex, and Typhoon Lagoon, our themed water park featuring the world's largest surf lagoon.
Okay, see, watch now. We're going to break one right here. And it won't give me the ever speed. At least Black did last night anyway. As soon as you cross the expansion point.
Can I take a picture?
Right there. So we'll break one.
So, that I was up in here?
And it's smooth. It's speed zone change. We're about to get
So we're
power.
going to that one building again.
Didn't lose any momentum
Are
either.
you going to flash? If you want to. I don't think so.
Coming up on the lagoon side is Disney's Grand Floridian Beach Resort. This picturesque Victorian-themed resort provides an adventure to turn-of-the-century Florida.
Yeah, I think I know.
Each night here on the Seven Seas Lagoon, we present our electrical water pageant. This shimmering musical parade features King Neptune and other creatures from the deep.
That's what
I'll be prepared for it.
Look,
I thought you knew all prepared for it.
So I'm not more prepared for it now than I was
just dismissed.
6 months ago.
On the opposite side of the monorail is the Disney Inn, a countryside resort featuring tennis, swimming, and golf. A South Seas Island adventure at Disney's Polynesian Resort begins in the Great Ceremonial House. Near a tropical rainforest, you can enjoy breakfast with Minnie and her friends. The Polynesian Review Dinner Show is presented nightly in the Luau Cove, and the Neverland Club provides entertainment with a buffet exclusively for children here at Disney's Polynesian Resort.
Red parking lot.
All audio is staying, great pressure, synchronizing PSI, unable to make visual original audio waiting.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes Magic Kingdom car and bus parking, buses to the Disney MGM Studios, and separate monorails to Epcot Center. If you're traveling to Epcot Center, please disembark here and transfer to a separate monorail train. If you're traveling to the Disney MGM Studios, bus transportation is provided for you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. As you disembark, please lower your head and watch your step, and please assist small children by the hand.
Maybe I'll take a picture.
If this concludes your visit to the Walt Disney World Resort, we hope you've had a wonderful time and will return home safely. This is the Transportation and Ticket Center. Thank you for traveling with us.